Today, you and your partner are going to listen to a book and find connections. We've been learning all about how to find connections and ways that things are the same or similar. And now we're ready to practice with a friend. For this activity, you will need a partner. If you don't have a partner, please pause the video now and go get one. Welcome back. You and your partner should be sitting elbow, elbow, knee to knee, iPad in the middle so you both can see. You also need to both be able to hear. So check with your partner right now and ask him or her if you can hear before you continue. I'm going to read part of a book from the Bookshelf app. I'm looking for a yellow reader today. And the name of the book is called Orange All Around. Do you see a book called Orange All Around? There it is. We're going to read part of this book today. It's called Orange All Around by Tracy Dibble. And then during one part of the book, we're going to try to find some connections. Follow along as I read for you. I see an orange flower. I see an orange umbrella. I see an orange blanket. Aw, so snuggly. I see an orange. Did you say balloon? Good job. I see an orange car. I see an orange truck. I see an orange bicycle. I see an orange motorcycle. Boys and girls, do you notice a connection between the bicycle and the motorcycle? How are they similar? How are they the same? Turn and talk to your partner now. Tell your partner 3 ways the bicycle and motorcycle are similar. Pause the video and talk to your partner now. Did you find some connections? Your teacher wants to know what connections you found. First, you're going to go on the Seesaw app. Then you're going to click this picture to make a video. Send your teacher a video. Tell your teacher what connections you found between the bicycle and the motorcycle. How are the bicycle and motorcycle similar or the same?